So, what's up guys? So, today we're going to be doing a review on Meat Fresh, which is a Taiwanese dessert place in Chicago. Their desserts look really good, really unique. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm actually meeting with the other half of this channel. You know, the short one? Yeah, that one.
So I wanted this one because it's like a mango milk shaved ice.
Oh, no.
And this is my other backup, but they're both seasonal and they don't have it, which is kind of weird because it's the only fruit they have in this whole thing.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So I had to get this,
which is taro milk shaved ice. Taro's always good though.
Yeah,
always good.
That's the only reason why I got it though.
This is the one I got. Oh shit! Okay, anyways, I got this one, $12.95, quite expensive, but I saw mochi and so I took that. Oh my god, it's gigantic.
I know, right?
What tea did you get?
I got the oolong milk tea.
Oolong? Okay.
Yeah. And this is the taro shaved ice thing.
Oh my, look at those. They're giant. They're actually giant. Oh, so you said you'll wait, but you're scooping some up right now.
This stuff was gonna fall off. She just got hers. They gave it to her. They made me walk up and claim mine.
Take this. I can't really rotate it, so.
The mochi thing. What is that?
I don't know. Tastes like green tea.
Oh,
that's
okay.
a good thing, yeah.
Did you try the fluffy part?
The fluffy part? Yeah, I can't taste it. There's nothing. It doesn't have a taste.
Nothing? Oh.
It literally has no taste. What does it taste like?
There's this distinct flavor of oolong. I don't know what oolong is though.
Well, yeah, mine tastes like green tea, so it's a little bitter. It's a little bitter, a little sweet. You know, the foam tastes like nothing. Okay, you go first then.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna try the taro part.
Wait, is that a taro block or something?
I think so. I like the shape.
You didn't even get any taro on that.
I did. It's
I know. Bitch, where?
It's right there.
Where's it at?
Fine. Oh my god. I got the taro. You see it?
Okay,
It's some
guys,
ice
I
cream.
see it this time. Damn, you good? Not good? What? Do you really?
Wait, the taro though, it's really
Is it chewy? It looks
it's
chewy. Like mochi?
chewy. I don't know, it's not like mochi chewy, it's really soft, you know? It's like a baby food. But it's warm.
It's warm?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so weird.
But I think I saw them kind of in the microwave.
What's the milk stuff?
Oh.
What's on the ice? Is it good?
It tastes like
Oh
melted,
fuck, I was missing your face. I only
tastes
got
like,
your mouth.
like melted vanilla.
Oh, melted vanilla.
Yeah.
And the ice cream?
Yeah, it's like vanilla.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yours should be more exciting though.
Okay, I'm gonna taste this first. Yeah, it's vanilla.
But what's the swirly stuff on it?
I don't know. It's probably caramel.
Okay.
It's sweet. I'm gonna taste this thing.
Yeah, what
this?
is that?
Like spaghetti or something? This you know what this looks like?
What?
Like palabok noodles.
True. It's they're thicker. I'm having issues.
It doesn't taste like anything, but it's chewy. Kind of like that palabok noodle,
Oh, okay. So yeah.
but softer.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
So it's
And
turning.
then
Oh my god, try
try
the
this
ball.
bit.
Oh yeah, that part. And there's two different colors in there. Is that a mango? If it's a mango, I'm gonna.
it's chewy.
That part?
Not
So
a mango. Not a mango.
What is it though? Are we
It
getting
has like a
copyrighted?
really faint taste to it.
Yeah,
It's
like
kind of sweet.
okay, my favorite part.
I don't think it's mango though, but
I don't. Yeah, that's not a mango.
it tastes like this thing.
Really? Is it just gonna be like a condensed? It looks like it's in color, but what is it though?
There's something inside.
Ew, like something gooey.
I think it's bean.
Really?
Red bean probably.
Red bean inside?
It's chewy and it has like red bean inside.
Oh, it is like red bean.
But it's white.
It's like purple bean.
Is it taro?
I think that's a purple bean.
That's the one I'm excited about.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Are people looking at us?
No.
My stuff is melting, by the way. Just saying. It's kind of mushy.
It tastes good. I don't know how to explain it though.
Oh, wow. It's purple.
It has more flavor than these ones.
Yeah.
Very soft.
Is the white one like coconut or something?
Okay, I'm gonna try this one. And then you can, you can eat. Shit, hold on. I don't know, they all
looks
just
like-
taste sweet to me.
Have you ever tried a snowball with like the peanuts inside? That's, no, like the food.
What inside? What's inside?
A snowball.
Okay, but what's inside?
It could be like peanuts or like it was like red bean.
No, it has like a milky taste to it. Okay, so we're outside. We got
It's really nice
takeout.
bags though.
Yeah, because they have like gigantic portions.
Big ass portions. And
Yeah. So, what's your rating?
I rate it 2 out of 5. Honestly,
Why?
Like, okay, so first of all, like the sizes, they only have one size, which is the big one, and it costs like $10 to $12.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And,
Can you call us later?
Did you just pretend this was a phone call? Oh my god. You
Okay.
just pretended this was a phone call.
Yeah, so it was like $10 to $12 for like this big portion. Like it could have been like cut down, like maybe 5 for like just a.
You're so cheap.
Okay, fine. 7 for like a smaller portion. Okay.
I give it a 3.5 because like the stuff isn't really that sweet, but I think that's how it's supposed to be. Like I don't know.
Yeah, it's a
maybe
little bland.
Maybe that's just how they eat it. But I don't know. I'm used to sweeter things. There's people.
So call us later.
Call us later. Yeah, later. Yeah, maybe like in
Or
like
just
20
text
minutes
us.
or
Yep.
so.
Yep. And also, they didn't have any fruit. Like
Oh,
my
yeah.
mango and my strawberry.
Mango and strawberries are
They didn't-
seasonal.
Yeah, that's a little lame. Because that's like the only thing I wanted.
Oh my
It
god.
was my mango. But
Yeah.
then I had to deal with a root vegetable.
Taro. Yeah. Root vegetable.
That's the potato. So yeah, I think we're going to this new place, this other place that opened in Chinatown.
Yeah, it's an Italian. Did you say
French.
Italian? No. I thought it was
To
Italian.
the shore.
Yeah.
And it's like, yeah,
Okay,
we're going.
we're gonna go now.